Hello, I hope you are well. Today we are going to make a little pumpkin with a lid. It's cute, no? It can be a candle holder or a pocket dish. I'm going to use Jesmonite and then using Pigments from Homeware Design & Co. I don't have the pumpkin color, but I'll try to make it myself. Oh, this mold is so cute. I really like it. I think it's really nice. Well, let's get started. I have prepared my liquid and my powder. The only thing is I'm not sure how much I'll need. So I'm going to take a little mold or two, just in case I have too much. I'll mix my powder with the liquid. I always mix my powder in several times because that way I avoid lumps as much as possible. Not sure, of course. I'm going to speed the video, but I don't mix that fast. What color will I get? I'm going to mix red color and an orange color. I'm putting my little drops. I don't remember. 8 for the red and 6 for the orange. For Homeware Design Pigments, you always have to check them about 30 seconds beforehand. Okay, let's mix. Pretty color, but I think it's a little bit darker. So I'll add a little more yellow because right now it's not what I want. And I mix again with my stick. Yes, I think it's not bad. You'll need to scrape the sides as well to make sure there's no unmixed powder left, otherwise you're likely to get a few lumps. Yes, I'm not unhappy with my homemade pumpkin color. And off we go. Let's pour. I speed the video. Ooh, that's a big mold. It's much bigger than I thought. Wow, I didn't need to get out another mold. Okay, let's make another batch of Jesmonite. I have done my other batch of Jesmonite. I hope the color will be similar, but that's not easy at all. And I'm going to pour. But I'd never have thought it was so big. Well, that will teach me a lesson. You always need to know how much Jesmonite or even resin a mold contains. I think I put almost 500 grams of Jesmonite in all. Oh, and I still can't make my little lid. Okay, I'm going to make my little lid, but off camera. So after making the lid, this time I had some Jesmonite left over. So I took this mold. It's an incense holder mold, a simple little mold, very cute. You put the incense stick in the middle, in the hole. Well, it was to finish my Jesmonite. And I don't have any bubbles. That's wonderful. Okay, this other mold, it's a shape of a leaf. It's a chocolate mold, a fondant mold. There are a few tiny bubbles, but it doesn't matter. I'll fix it. I'll show you that later. And now my pumpkin. It's very, very heavy and took a long time to dry. It stayed warm for a very long time. I obviously waited several hours before unmolding it because with the amount of Jesmonite, I didn't want it to break or crumble or anything like that. I have a feeling that this mold isn't going to come out easily. It's going to take a bit of effort. It's not easy, I can assure you. Obviously, I can already see that I've got a demarcation between the two layers of Jesmonite. It's hard to get the same color every time. Let's just say it's a pumpkin that matured in 2 steps. And my little demarcation, but it's nothing. I'll find a way to do it. You'll see later. Don't leave too quickly. And here is the lid. I added a little bit of green, Zen green from Homeware design. I felt like it. I thought it would look good. So, my little lid. It's so cute. I like it. Oh, yes. It's still nice. But then it weighs so much. It's crazy. I'm really surprised because there's this big thing in the middle to make the hole. So I never thought it would be so heavy. Well, I'm going to weight it just to see. Okay, I open my scale and put the right units in grams. Oh yes, it's really heavy. It's the first time that I made a heavy thing like this. I'm amazed at how much it took. There are, let's see, alors, it's 426 grams, including the lid, and without the lid, 390 grams. You see, it's still very heavy. I've got little marks. I don't know what it's due to. Maybe I didn't mix it properly. Maybe there was a little white left. But after all, it's just as well that it's not completely uniform. I got some few tiny bubbles, but that's okay. Yes, pumpkins are never very uniform. I've rarely seen one. It's smooth, it's a joy to touch it. So, I advertise you. I'll show you something else. I put copper foil all around with the special glue for gold foil, and I think it looks great. I wanted to show you the finished product, but I've got a little bit of leaf everywhere. I've cleaned and cleaned, but there are little bits and pieces everywhere. It's a nightmare. But I think it's pretty, and you can't see my demarcation anymore. So, really nice. I took some photos in the daylight. Well, I'm not unhappy about it. So, go back to the video as it was. There you have it, my little experiment of the day. I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave me a comment, a thumbs up. It always makes me very happy. And it really helps my little channel. Until we meet again for new adventures, take good care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.